Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn subtopic Kingdom Plantae, division of Bryophyta. So, for this topic, we are going to go through for these 6 contents. First is introduction. What is Kingdom Plantae? Second, synopsis. Overview of division Bryophyta. Third, Bryophyta family. Classification of organism in taxonomy chart. Fourth, application. The use of the organism in life. Fifth, Islamic perspective. Quranic verse of the organism. Last but not least is references. Let's move on to the first, introduction. What is Kingdom Plantae? So guys, Kingdom Plantae is eukaryotes and multicellular organism. Cell walls are made up of cellulose and has photosynthetic pigments which can store food in form of starch. Life cycle of this Kingdom Plantae also involve alternation of generation between gametophyte generation and sporophyte generation. For your information, gametophyte generation is in the form of gamete and sporophyte generation is in the form of spores. Second, synopsis. Overview of the division Bryophyta. What is division Bryophyta is actually about? Generally, Bryophyta is a division of plants that live on land, green in color and small in size. It is also have plastic cells that can produce chlorophyll A and B so that they can make their own food. Division Bryophyta is also known as autotrophic organism. Do you know what is autotrophic organism? Yes, autotrophic organism is an organism that can make food by their own. Let's go to learn on what is characteristics of division Bryophyta. First, division Bryophyta is a non-vascular plant without xylem and phloem, through roots, stems, or leaf. Then, it also can be found in damp, shady terrestrial habitat. Division Bryophyta also requires external water for gamete transfer. Bryophyta is gametophyte generation is dominant for this division. This division experiences metagenesis. And last but not least, division Bryophyta only undergoes primary formation. Third, Bryophyta family. Classification of organism in taxonomy chart. There are 7 hierarchy for taxonomy chart. But for today's discussion, we are only take 5 of them to discuss on this slide. There are domain, kingdom, phylum, class, and order. Plus, we will also show you for the species for each order. As you can see, the blue box indicate our topics discussion. For division Bryophyta is under domain Eukarya instead of domain Archaea and bacteria. For the kingdom, division Bryophyta under kingdom Plantae. There are 4 phylum that are under kingdom Plantae, and the division Bryophyta is one of the phylum. There are three main classes under division Bryophyta. First, Hepatica, second, Anthocerote, and third, Musci. Under class Hepatica, there are two orders, which are Calabriella and Merchantia. Species under Calabriella is Calabrium blumi, and the species under Mercantia is Mercantia peruviana. For order under class Anthocerote is Anthoceros. Under order Anthoceros is Anthoceros crispulus. There are two orders under class Musci, which are Androidae and Specnidae. The species under order Androidae is Androbrium, and the species under Specnidae is Specnicae. So, I've told you guys for this taxonomy chart, which is from domain to order, and also include for each species under each order. Next, let's go forward to the application, the use of Bryophyta in life. What are the applications of Bryophyta? Do you guys want to know? First, in ecological uses. Second, in horticultural uses. Third, in house construction. Fourth, in medicinal uses. So, let's watch the video for this application of Bryophyta.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we are going to continue our presentation today to the applications of Bryophyta in our life. Okay, the first one is ecological uses. Liverworts and mosses are a good indicator of environmental conditions. Some bryophytes grow only in a narrow and specific pH range. Their presence can be used as an indicator of soil pH. They also can envelop forest floor, tree trunks, and aid in moisture conservation. The second one is horticultural uses. Bryophytes act as soil additives, ornamental materials cultivation in Japanese garden. Bryophyte helps to protect carving in terms of humidity and heat that can affect its structure. Irrigation process also can be applied in order to take care of the carving. Moss is commonly seen as a signature plant for a Japanese garden. The next one is house construction. Bryophytes act as a component of building envelope due to the situation of potential environmental catastrophe in which we are immersed. It also can replace vascular plants in green facade and roof system. The development is designed to be covered by bryophytes to prevent excessive heat gain. And the last application is medicinal uses. The Chinese and the Native Americans have used various types of moss species like Philonopsis and Bryum. In Chinese traditional medicine, bryophytes have been used to treat illness to the cardiovascular system, tonsillitis, bronchitis, tympanitis, cystitis, as well as skin disease and burns. In skin treatment, ash of moss is mixed with honey and fat to treat cuts, burns, and wounds.
Fifth, Islamic perspective, Quranic verse related to this organism. In the Quran, Surah Al-Hajj, chapter number 22, verse number 5, Allah said, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, وترى الأرض هامدة فإذا أنزلنا عليها الماء اهتزت وربت وأنبتت من كل زوج بهيج. صدق الله العظيم. To cease the earth dry, then when we send down rain upon it, the earth is moved, with vegetation growing, and loosens it, and its growth of all kinds of beautiful plants. Allah sent down rain to give life to plants, and the plants give benefits to all humans in the whole world. Same goes with our topic today. That is about Bryophyta that have characteristic of autotroph. Bryophyta is an organism that is capable of making its own nutritive organic molecules from inorganic materials. Plants need water to grow, and Bryophyta also need water to grow and do the division and give many benefits to people. Allah the Creator always know what is the best. In this verse, show us that Allah is the most perfect creator. And the last one, references. All of these references that we use in order to complete this slide, which is book, websites, and journal. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Laura Ingalls Wilder. So that's all from us. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.